Transform your Substack from a hidden gem into a thriving community by crafting a lead magnet your ideal readers can't resist. Step 1. Define your ideal subscriber. Who are you trying to reach with your Substack? Think about their pain points, their aspirations, and the specific problems they're looking to solve that your newsletter addresses. Step 2. Brainstorm lead magnet ideas based on your ideal subscriber. What valuable free resource can you offer? This could be a checklist, a template, a short ebook, a cheat sheet, a mini-course, or even a webinar recording. Step 3. Choose a high-value topic your lead magnet should directly relate to your newsletter's core content and offer a clear, tangible benefit aimed to solve a specific problem or provide a shortcut to a desired outcome for your audience. Step 4. Package your lead magnet. Effectively design your lead magnet. Beautifully ensure it's easy to consume and visually appealing. Use clear headings, concise points, and consider including your branding. Step 5. Create a compelling call to action on your Substack homepage. Clearly state the benefit of your lead magnet. Make it obvious what readers will get by subscribing. Use persuasive language that highlights the value proposition. Step 6. Implement and promote. Add a sign-up form to your Substack that links directly to delivering your lead magnet. Promote it on social media, in your existing content, and anywhere your ideal subscribers hang out. This is how you build your engaged readership.